Hello and welcome back to another video. So this is just a short little video today showing you how I go about cleaning up my rolling stock and making sure that it all runs nice and smoothly. So here we have my Great Western pannier tank. I'll just show you the box here. So this is the Hornby Railways model. This is R.041. It's the 57XX class pannier tank. This locomotive here is number 8751. So in order to clean the wheels to start with, which as you can hopefully see, they're pretty dirty, I have a piece of cork and some fine sandpaper. So the reason this is fine sandpaper and not coarse or medium texture is because the fine texture will make the wheels more smooth, so it won't make them as bumpy, if you like. So as you can see, I've already made a mark here as to where to cut, so I'm going to cut up there enough to be able to go around this piece of cork all the way around and stick it together and start cleaning the wheels up. As you can see, this is the P180, so the higher the 180, the higher the number after the P, the finer the sandpaper is. So for example, a P80 is quite a coarse textured piece of sandpaper. So with that piece of sandpaper constructed, if you like, I'm going to put my locomotive in this cradle. Yeah, it's nice and firm. It means I can just hold it together with one hand and rub the wheels with the other. So let's get started. Now I can't be too sure as to how well the camera is picking out this wheel here, but this is quite a nice example. The left of the wheel, from about where my nail's there, this side is all nice and polished, and you can see the original colour of the metal wheels coming through, but on the right it's much more messy and you can see all the dirt that the wheels have picked up from being run. And there we go. Now with all the 6 wheels clean, well 4 to be honest, because the only pickup wheels are the front 2 and the rear 2, but I have given the middle 2 a little wipe down as well. As I say, with those clean now, and if I just move that back, you can see how rough the sandpaper's got. Quite bad in some places, but it just shows you how much good it does cleaning up the wheels. So I shall get this locomotive down onto the tracks and we'll give it a little test. So I've got the engine here now with the clean wheels, so I'm just going to get that out of the cradle, put this on the tracks. As you can see, this is a temporary bit of track as there is ongoing construction on the boards. So I shall now turn this on. I've got the green light, so I'll go forwards. Let's see if we can get this engine to move. Take 2. Right, that didn't work before, The reason was that there was a short circuit inside the locomotive, so it's now been repaired, or fixed, whatever. So it's now time for the test. Now I haven't cleaned any of the motor or oiled any of the rods inside, so it will be a bit jolty, and of course the track isn't 100% clean, so I have given it a quick rub with the track rubber. Anyway, let's send it away. So let's try it with a crawl now, see how slow we can get this to go. Stopped again. So you can see how slow we can get it to go. It's quite a nice crawl there. Other than that, speed, we can go quite fast. So on the whole, just that little clean of the wheels has made a world of a difference. So I shall oil up the motor and it will be even better performing next time you see it running. So we're ready to test the engine again. After, well, as you saw, rather than unsuccessful try last time. So I've given the motor a little clean. It still needs a bit more attention, but for the time being, this is what it looks like. If it's going to budge. Anyway, other than a few running issues on the track, it's performing much better than before. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed today's video of this Pannier tank locomotive being serviced. Certainly a joy to fix, and well, as you've seen, it's running certainly a bit better, even if the track's a bit dirty. The motor needs clean. It's certainly improved since the start. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye.